Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. This is officially day 3 of me doing this YouTube channel, and I made myself a promise that by the end of this month I'm gonna get 1,000 subscribers. So if you like what I'm telling you right now, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. All right, let's get down to the topic of today. So I still use D3100 for all my photo shoots. D3100 is the first camera that I got when I was about 17 years old. This is what it looks like. You can see that I've been using it so much that all the actual signs on the buttons disappeared, but it still works the exact same way. The only difference between my camera, that's D3100, and the modern camera is really like the difference between some of the settings. And the only big difference that I noticed is with the new cameras, you can actually download this app called Snap, and you can literally take pictures of yourself. You can set up your camera connected via Bluetooth, and you can take pictures of yourself. This one is a little bit more old school, so you'll have to do self-timed photo shoots. So the reason why I still use D3100, because it performs essentially the exact same needs that you need. I believe that it's not necessarily about body as much as it is about the lens. For instance, this lens, 55 to 300 millimeter. With this kind of lens, I can really zoom in and I can really zoom out, so I can take extremely beautiful portraits. I'm a firm believer that most photography is about the lens more than it is about the body. Yes, some bodies are extraordinary and they can take fascinating photos, but I still believe most of the work, amazing work, comes from your lens. So I highly recommend, if you love doing portraits, especially if you like doing senior photos or you like doing high fashion editorial where you want that bokeh in the background without having to Photoshop in, I recommend that you use this one, D3100, and that you use 55 to 300 millimeter lens. I'm gonna drop down in the link below for my link to Amazon to buy D3100 and to get 55 to 300 millimeter lens. You're gonna love it, I promise you. So this is my cat. He's gonna be the model of today. His name is Fluffy. Because we're social distancing, I have to use my cats as models. So I'm gonna take some photos of Fluffy, and you get to see what it's gonna look like, right? Fluffy's over here. I just used him to take a couple of shots of him, and let's check out the results.